Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I put together a really cute, simple home decor with a little bit of shabby chic and some summer twist to it. First off, we're going to start off with this Dollar Tree little piece. I don't even know what it's called, but I'm going to create a little riser out of it. All I'm going to do is take some white chalk paint, go around the riser with a little bit of the white paint. I'm not going to completely cover it. I'm going to leave some of that brown peeking through. Now I'm going to be taking some of this little Hobby Lobby craft, craft paper from Hobby Lobby, and I just cut out a little piece. That's what I'm going to Mod Podge to the middle of the riser. I didn't want to completely cover the inside of it. So I'm just going to add a little more Mod Podge on the ends because I want them to lay flat. Now, I wasn't sure what to do with this piece that I got from Dollar Tree. I was like, what can I do with this? So that's when I came up with the idea to make it a cute little riser. Now, I'm going to be using these are from Easter time. They're like the little window clings. And I'm going to be using the little butterflies and the little flowers. Put a little Mod Podge in the back and place it right on top of that little craft paper. Now, I love summer. I love the weather. I love the sun. I'm just not a fan of DIY crafts for summertime. It's not my forte. I really enjoy doing seasonal crafts. I was debating if I should just take the summer off, but I didn't want to do that to my subscribers. So that's why I'm making another video for you guys, and I hope you like it. Now I'm going to place down the other flower on the other side of the little riser. Now, if you don't have these, obviously these are from Easter time. You can use anything you have. You can use Dollar Tree has those little fake flowers or the little roses or, just look around Dollar Tree. They have so many different things you can choose from. Now I'm placing down the last rose at the bottom. Now these little risers you can use, you can put jewelry on top or you can put candles on top or anything like that. It's so pretty, so elegant. You can place it either in your living room, dining room, or bedroom, bathroom, anywhere actually. So because I needed some room at the bottom for that rose, I'm just going to move that butterfly up a little bit. Now I'm going to place down that little pink rose at the bottom, or flower. I think it's a rose. And that's it for the top part of the riser. Now for the legs, I'm just going to use some wood beads. They're like the medium size, I think. Just going to place down 4 at the back. And that's pretty much it. You can use anything for beads. Listen to me. You can use anything for the legs and back. I just decided to use the wood beads. I think this came out super cute, super pretty. For this one's going to be really easy. I took 2 4x6 flat canvases and a 5x7, and I used my Cricut. Now you don't have to paint these, but I wanted to, so I'm going to use some white chalk paint to go over the canvas because there were some little marks on it. I just want to make it look nice and clean. Now, like I said, I used my Cricut. I'm just going to place down the birds on the canvas. Now, you can hang these or you can place them, anywhere on your shelf or bookshelf or decor areas that you want to spruce it up a little bit. So that's what I did. I just placed it on my shelf. So now I'm going to place down each bird on the canvas. And if you don't have a Cricut, you can always freehand it, paint it in, draw it in, trace it. I mean, these are so simple, but you can make them different colors too, but I just wanted it black and white. I thought it looked more elegant and simple. Now for this bird, it goes on the larger canvas. I don't know what I was thinking. I placed it sideways and it was supposed to be upright. And that's okay though. I still left it as is. I could have switched it out, but I'm just giving you an idea what you could do with these canvases. But in the end, I think they all came out really cute. All right, for this one, we're going to take some, this is not craft paper. This is like well, handmade. It's like, I don't know, it's some type of material. It's soft. Got that from Hobby Lobby. And these I got from Temu. And I was like, what can I do with these? And I was like, oh, let me try to place them inside this little glass frame from Dollar Tree and create a little picture. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove the backing and trace out that material to place it on the back. So these are pretty flowers, and these are like the vases, like outline vases. So I decided I was going to use the wider vase, and then in the middle it says flower. Then I'm going to take those pretty flowers. There's all kinds, there's roses, and I don't know the names of them, but I thought they were very pretty. And I figured I would try to make something out of this. And so I'm going to take that. That's the one I'm going to be using. And I didn't want to use hot glue or anything to place it down or Mod Podge. So I decided to use the glue stick. Now because it's white on white, you can't really see it, but I still was going with it. I figured maybe I can see it. I was thinking. So I do change it at the end. I add some purple craft paper behind it. So now I'm going to lay down the flowers. I'm going to pick the ones that I want to use and then place them inside that vase with with the glue stick as well. I really couldn't think of anything else to use these with. If you guys had any ideas, let me know because I couldn't think of anything. This is all I came up with. They're really pretty. I don't know, you can place them on a mirror maybe or something. I'm not sure. But I really like the way this comes out at the end. So to hold them in place, I'm just going to use the glue stick, like I said. However, I didn't know what else to use because, it's delicate material and I didn't want to use hot glue. It'll be a mess. So I'm going to go ahead and glue everything down and place it right back into the frame. And like I said, because the outline of the vase was white on top of white material, you really couldn't see it. I mean, in person you can see it, but I don't think you guys can see it. So I went ahead and added a little purple craft paper behind the vase, which made it pop, and I think it came out amazing. All right, we're going to be using a Dollar Tree tag. I got this around Christmas time. Never used it, so I'm going to use it in this DIY. Just going to remove the jute from the top. I'm going to flip it over because I'm going to use the back of it. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to paint it with some black paint. However, I'm not going to completely cover it. I'm going to leave some of the ends and areas so the bare wood would come through. I'm just going to rough up the edges and use some sandpaper. Like I said, I want some of the wood to come through. Now I use my Cricut and I'm going to place down the word that says welcome diagonal on the side of the sign. Now I wanted to add some greenery to the top. However, I just totally ran out of a lot of greenery. I have to actually buy some more. So I just took what I had and tied them off with some jute twine at the end. And I'm going to place them both on each end and glue them down. Now I made a tassel and I didn't use jute. This is, I can't even think of the name of the string. I got it from Dollar Tree. But anyways, I used regular wood beads and all I'm going to do is hot glue it to the middle of the sign. So the reason why I placed down the greenery so far apart is because I'm going to place a bow right in the middle. Now I'm going to take this burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree and I'm going to create a shoelace bow. So I'm just fluffing it up, trying to get it to the size I want. It's kind of hard to work with because it's so wide, and I want to make it the perfect width because there's only a certain amount of width I'm working with in the middle. And then I'm going to glue it right in place. So I'm going to cut the ends and then ducktail the ends as well. And then I'm going to take a Dollar Tree lace ribbon for the top to hang. And that's pretty much it. This came out so pretty, so perfect for your front door. And this is how it turned out. I think it came out so pretty. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you real soon, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.